everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini Lego drill. First, this is the base part. You put it where you're building it. And then second, you see these two lights from Lego? You put the blue light on this white connector. And then you put this white light on the bottom right here. Then you put the blue light combined with the white part on the base. Last step. Then you put all the mini things on all four ends, like this. Last one. Can you help me push it? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we made it. So bye guys. Please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, you can look at my other videos at my channel's name.